My heart remembers every sigh when our souls would speak. Tu hai mera, main hoon tera, dil se dil tak mera. Tu hai mera, main hoon tera, dil se dil tak mera. I carry all your gentle words like prayers inside my chest. They lift me up like singing birds when I cannot find rest.
Your hands once held my trembling faith. Now I hold yours in mine.
Through every storm, through every grace, our hearts still intertwine.
तू है मेरा, मैं हूँ तेरा, दिल से दिल तारा मेरा। तू है मेरा, मैं हूँ तेरा, दिल से दिल तारा मेरा।
When the world feels cold and distant,
When the path seems lost and broken,
we find each other in the silence, in words that need not be spoken.